I just hope this video does not reach my co-workers, but if given a chance, then I would quit any day. Hello and welcome to my channel Being Indian in Germany. I know it's been a while that I have posted anything on this channel, and technically this is my second attempt at making this YouTube channel work. So I am here again, and this is a who am I video, and where do I see myself in next 5 years. So start से start करते हैं. Hi, my name is Vishali. I live in Munich, Germany. I moved here from India 3 years ago. तो मैंने ये चैनल स्टार्ट किया था इंडिया में जब मैं यहाँ आने वाली थी, एंड आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू स्टार्ट दिस न्यू चैप्टर इन माई लाइफ. बट देन व्हेन आई केम हियर, लाइफ हैपेंड एंड इट्स बिन अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम जब मैंने यूट्यूब पे बिल्कुल फोकस नहीं किया है. टू टेल यू अ बिट अबाउट माई सेल्फ, आई वॉज वर्किंग फॉर अ कंपनी इन इंडिया फॉर 2 years, and that is the same company who brought me here to Germany on an on-site project. So since the time I started working, I've been working for the same company. It's been 5 years in total, and I don't know what am I doing here right now. So now the actual question is, what do I really want to do in life? Since I was a kid, I always wanted to travel. I used to see my dad going from one country to another and think that's something I want to do when I grow up. And I also got that chance when I moved here. I have been to more than 15 countries, and by traveling, I do not mean just taking them off from your bucket list. I have actually lived like a local, explored every city I have been to the fullest, and created some amazing itineraries for myself. So if you ask me where do I see myself in next 5 years, I would say I will be traveling full time and earning some money out of it. So that's the reason I am here, to share that journey with you and maybe bring you along on that journey. So let's stay in touch and stay tuned for what's coming ahead. I will take you through some of the best road trips in Europe, explore amazing hidden gems. Imagine life in a city where boats are the only mode of transportation. Hike through beautiful mountains and travel to some of the most amazing places in Europe. Thank you. Bye bye.